Hello and welcome to today's lesson. So in our previous lesson, we successfully installed Node.js, Expo CLI, and VS Code. We said Node.js helps us to run JavaScript codes on our computer. Expo CLI helps us to use the terminal to run our commands. Here is the terminal. If you click on these three dots, terminal, new terminal. So Expo CLI helps us to run the command here. Then Visual Studio Code is this code editor where we are working on. So I've created a project folder and opened it. File, open folder, and then project folder. So you wait for this to display, for it to display on your terminal, your folder. Alright, so I want to install a new project so that we can move on. We make use of npx create -export app, export-app, then the name of your app. So the name of my app is domev. I press enter. So because I've installed the work tools, I expect it to install properly. If you did not install the work tools, there will be error. I've installed Node.js. I've installed Expo CLI, and I'm working on VS Code. Alright, so I'll wait for it to take a couple of minutes. I'll come back. Alright, it's installing. I'll come back when it finishes installing. Our app installation is complete. So when it brings us this, when it shows us the file location of our app and gives us this, okay, like this, says your project is ready. To run your project, navigate to the directory and run one of the following commands. Navigating to the directory means we are in a projects directory here. We are in projects directory, so we need to navigate to domev directory. Alright, our app is located in the domev directory, which is this. This is our app. Alright, so there are two ways we can do that. We can just say cd domev. Cd means change directory. So you can see that we are now in domev directory. Alright, so we can run our project from here. The second way we can do this is to open folder, projects, domev, select domev, and say select folder. Alright, so we are now also in a domev directory. Alright, so now that we are in our project directory, our project is domev, and this is our files. We can start our project by typing npx expo start. So this is a command instruction that starts our React Native app. Alright, so our app is starting. Okay, I'll just press yes. So we wait for the app to start. Alright, the app has started. Okay, so we can see a couple of options here. Now it says using Expo Go. Expo Go is the app that we installed on our phone. Expo Go is the app that we installed on our phone, and we need to use it to preview our apps. So when you open the Expo Go app, you need to scan this QR code. You need to scan this QR code so that it will display the app on our phone. All right. So if you scan this QR code, it will display the app on your phone. But let me just, since I'm recording with the browser, let me click on this to see how the app looks on the browser. Alright, so this is the default look of the app. If you scan it with your mobile phone, if you scan the QR code with your Expo Go app, your mobile phone will be connected to the computer and it will display something like this for you. So because I can't show you my mobile phone, I'm just displaying it on a browser. So this is how the default app looks like. In our next class, we'll start designing this app using components. We'll be talking about components. It says welcome, it's welcome, step 1, try it. Alright, in our next class we're going to look at how to modify this to suit our project, to suit what we are working on. Alright, thank you for viewing this class. See you in the next lesson.